Good day, friends. Welcome to Learning French with Beena Multani, your instructor for French language. In this video, we are going to learn the accents in French. Bonjour, mes amis, et bienvenue à Prendre la langue française avec Beena Multani, votre enseignant de la langue française. Dans cette vidéo, on va voir et apprendre les accents en français. Well, in this video, we are going to see the accents. What are accents? Accents are signs or marks put over vowels to change the sound of the vowel. Which are the vowels in French? Vowels in French are just like in English. A, E, I, O, U, as well as Y and H mute. In most cases, H is silent and it is considered as a vowel in French. Now we take the first accent, the accent aigu, that is the acute accent. Acute accent, now let us see, it is as this. It goes from the left to the right. It's very important to recognize the accent, which I have put up here. Now this alphabet E as in English, alphabet E in English, in French it is pronounced as E. When it has got the acute accent, the sound changes from E to A. So we see the examples with the acute accent. The first example, say le bébé, that's baby. I've put up little pictures for you. You can correlate as what it means, bébé. Then we have l'été, that is summer. Été, summer. Le café, that's coffee. L'étudiant, that is student. So all these examples, all these words carrying the accent acute. It's only put on the vowel E. The accent acute, l'accent aigu, is only put on the vowel E. We take the next accent, that is the accent grave, said as l'accent grave. Now this grave accent is put on three vowels, that is E, A and U. Let's take it separately, each vowel. When it's put on the vowel E, the sound of vowel, that's the changes to A. Now you'll tell me it's a little confusing compared to acute and grave. A slight nuance, a slight difference, we will make a note here. That is, acute accent is an A, it's like in the cake, more of an open A as cake. So it's A. Acute, the grave accent, here you can first recognize it, that's the grave accent. It goes from the right to the left, it goes from the right to the left, and it is more of a closed A, more of a closed A that we see A or hear the sound in egg. So it's A. Acute is A, grave is A. Let's take the examples for grave. We have le père, that's father. La crème, that's cream. La mère, that's mother. Très, très bien, that's very good. Très, that's very. And I have a proper noun, that's Helen. In French, we say it as, we have the acute and the grave said as Hélène. Hélène, that's Helen. So we come to the conclusion with your acute and grave on the E, that is as A, and it's recognized as this, the grave, which is A. Now getting into the next vowels for grave, when it's put on A, it does not change the sound of the vowel, but you can differentiate between the words. They mean differently. Like words with the same spelling, so as to differentiate between the words, the accent is put. Now if we take only A, that is A, it means has. Like elle a du café. She has some coffee. When A is with the grave, the meaning changes. It changes to as meaning to, in or at. Elle est à Mumbai. She is in Mumbai. So pronunciation remains the same as ah, but meaning differs. When put on you, when the graph is put on you, that also creates a different meaning. Like OU, we say it in French as ou. Without the graph on the U, it means as or. Oui ou non, yes or no. When graph on the U, the meaning changes as where. Où habitez-vous? Where do you stay? So, où, the pronunciation remains the same, but the meaning differs. With the graph, it means as where. Without the graph, où would mean as or. So, we come to the conclusion of two accents, that is the acute and graph. In the next session, we will take up the next three accents, that is completing all the 5 accents of French language. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe so that it motivates me and I put up more for better learning for you and me. Thank you.